Hey, it's Marcus here from the Vacuum Wizard, and welcome to this demonstration video on how to completely strip down your Dyson V16 motor head for cleaning and maintenance. The first thing you're going to do is remove the see-through cover that's covering the anti-tangle heads by simply unclicking it from either side. Then you'll be able to pull the anti-tangle heads away either side. Next, you're going to remove the circular discs on either side, here and here, by taking out the two screws. Once done, you will then be able to remove these two screws on either side. Now you're going to want to spin your motor head back around so it's facing away from you, and then pop the rubber cover out to reveal these screws. From here, remove these three in the middle, and then these four from the bottom here also. Once all these screws are out, then there are two more screws either side of the machine where I'm pointing to that can also be removed. Now you're able to slide off these two black covers off the head. Revealing these two screws here and here, which you can remove next. Once done, take out these two screws here and here. And you can now pop out the clear plastic cover that was covering the PCB. But it is attached inside, so go careful of the wires when removing it. Now your machine should look like this, allowing you full access for cleaning the front and the back out, and if you need access to the PCB. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and if you want a guide on how to completely strip down the whole V16 machine, you can watch our previous video.